Daddy pouring tea, and you put the sugar in. Now, does everyone have a spoon?
You got more than me.
He's mixed. She's look at that.
Stirring it up.
Amazing. She's so smart. Which one goes to Daddy? Which one goes to Mommy?
Mine.
Which cup are you going to give to Daddy?
This one.
This one? Okay. Or that one with a surprise inside. So Daddy's has a surprise inside. Did you drink your tea?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Get Papa some tea. Papa's thirsty.
Hey, do you want sugar, Papa?
Hey, get Papa some tea. Oh, I guess I get no.
She's still mixing. Putting sugar in the tea.
Have purple. Have purple spoon. Purple.
Oh, but she's looking for the right purple spoon, Daddy.
It goes in the vase, baby. The flower goes in the vase.
Put your flour in.
Boss.
And what just goes?
This one. Pink. There you go.
What this
Purple.
Over here. And then this one goes here. Now, can you get up and serve everybody their tea? Can you hand Daddy his cup?
Okay.
Okay, you need some help?
It's in tea.
Is there tea in there? Is it hot tea or cold tea?
Cold tea.
Cold tea.
No, it's hot tea. Hot.
Hot tea?
It's
Okay.
very hot, Daddy. Mine. Mine. Mine.
She's serving you her tea. She's telling you.
I need to put some tea in there. Got some tea in there.
Okay. Can you hand Daddy his teacup?
Sure. I take up right here.
Which one? Let Daddy. Which one does Daddy get?
Right there.
Okay, have your tea, Daddy. Which one does Mommy get?
I know.
You make Mommy's tea too?
Mine too, right there.
Okay, can you hand it to Mommy?
That's mine.
Who gets the cookies?
I got some cookies.
What kind are those?
Yeah.
What kind of cookies are those?
They're mine.
Oh, are you going to share your cookies?
Huh?
No.
Yes.
Daddy drank all his tea. Does Papa get some tea?
Don't drink all that tea.
Get Papa tea. My tea.
I need tea.
Which one? Which one's mine?
This.
No. Cup tea.
This is my flower.
Which cup of tea does Pop Pop get?
This one.
Okay, give it to me. Wait a minute.
You get it?
I'll get it. I'll get it. I guarantee you.
Let's see.
Have my tea go.
Yum, yum, yum.
Have my tea.
It's right there. It's upside down. Baby, you dropped a cup. It's right there. No, look. It's upside down.
Very good.
Amazing how they do that.
Sydney, drink your tea. Mommy wants to see you drink your tea.
Mommy, I need to make this.
What you cooking? Cookie?
I cooking.
She's not sharing those.
No, she's cooking cookies.
Can't wait till she's ready for an easy bake.
Nah.
free wet.
Yes. Sleeping by what?
It was alright, but you know, that tea's a little bitter. You know? I didn't have enough sugar.
Mmm.
Yummy.
So,
Sydney,
uh-huh.